So this is the integer problem that we actually have. We have 6 plus negative 12 plus 2. And I am going to show you the rules concerning the operation. So just look at the rules here. A positive number plus another positive number, let's put those in brackets, is gonna equal to a positive answer. All right, so that's addition rules that we're looking at, and that's the first one. The second one here is a positive number plus a negative number gives you a positive or a negative answer. Let's continue. A negative number plus a positive number will give you a positive or a negative answer. All right, let's go up a little bit with the page. So let me just erase this. Hold on a second. Erase that one. And I want to be going up a bit with the page. I want to scroll a bit. It's not going up anymore. All right, no problem. So let me look at the other one, the other rule, which is a negative number plus another negative number will give you a negative answer. All right, so that's the rule for addition and subtraction. In this case, with the problem that we have here, 6 plus a negative number plus a positive number. So if you look at this right here, the 6 itself is a positive. We do not have the sign attached to it, but as long as you don't see a negative sign that is in front of it, understand that it's a positive number. So the 6 right here is a positive number. So we have a positive, right? And we want to add a negative. Think of it this way. You owe 12 because the negative represents what you owe. So for example, you owe $12. And out of the $12 that you owe, you are only able to pay $6. So if you pay 6 out of the 12 that you owe, how much it is that you are left with? You are left with 6, right? You are left with 6. So let's write that 6. The question is now, is it what you owe or is it what you have? In this case, it is what you owe because you are only able to pay 6 out of the 12 that you owe. So we should have a negative in front of that 6. So we finished with this part. We did this part. All right. So we have negative 6 after working out this part. But we also have here a positive 2. All right. So we owe 6, but then we can pay 2. So when we pay that, do we still owe? Yes. So our answer right there would be a negative answer, and then 2 from 6 will give us 4. So that is our answer right there. All right. I am going to do another example for you. So let me erase this one, and let me erase it so that we can do a second example. All right. And I want you to pay close attention to what it is that I am doing. All right. I'm wondering if I should make sure that you take off this piece of information. Okay. So let's erase this. Let's erase it. Okay, okay. Get rid of all of this. And I will be looking at a second example with you so as to cement the concept. All right. Oh, here's another one. So let me get the pen and let's work with the black. So the next one is negative 12 plus plus negative 5 plus again negative 10. All right. So remember the rule that we had working with before. A negative plus another negative. Let's look at it. Let me just get the red instead. So we have a negative here and we are adding another negative here. So when we put these two negatives together, we have 17. So we actually owe 17. So let's write the number 17 and let's put a negative in front of it because the rule says a negative plus another negative will give you 70. In other words, you owe 12 and you go back again and you owe another 5. You have not paid anything, you owe 12 and you owe 5. And when we put the 12 and the 5 together, we get 17. So you're still owing 17. And then let's take this now. Let's take this now and let's bring it down here. So we have a plus, another negative 10. So let's look at it. Remember the rule? The rule says a negative plus another negative will give you a negative. So we have 17 and we're adding 10 to that. 17 and 10 will give you 27. All right. And remember, it's going to be a negative based on the rule that you have. So our answer right here, and we're finished, is negative 27. All right. And that's it. Okay, dokie. That's it. So I hope that this video helps you in understanding addition of integers. I will do a second video for you to explain the rule of subtracting integer. All right, that's in the next video. But I really hope that this one helps you to understand how to carry out addition of integers. All right. And I should be doing another one with the number line for some persons who like to do a practical or see some form of imagery. Right. I will do one for you with the number line so that you can understand it. All right. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.